Hey guys, welcome to our next video on Thanksgiving. For this video, I'm going to share with you two different art projects that you can do with a Thanksgiving theme. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so our first art project is a handprint turkey. For this turkey, you're going to want multicolored feathers and then brown for the body. Once it dries, you'll want to add some details to your turkey to make it look more like a turkey. Our second project is a paper plate pumpkin. For this art project, you will paint the outside of a paper plate that you have cut out the center of, and once it dries, you will staple on a stem and a leaf. For your leaf or vine, you will curl a pipe cleaner around your finger or a pencil, and then staple it onto the paper plate as well. Thanks for watching those two art project ideas. I will see you in our next video. Bye.